Alright guys, Rose here. Y'all better know who this is. This is my dear friend, Annabelle. And she's here to teach us how to get that glowing, demonic glam. Are you guys ready? She's gonna share her secrets, her beauty secrets, because that's all we can handle. We can't handle any more secrets than that, Annabelle. But she's gonna teach us how to get that. You see her liner? Fierce. Look at her. Just, I'm ready, y'all. And she's got on that blush. Ben, you ready for some blush today? Because we're gonna do it. All right, let's get started, girl. All right, guys, first things first is we gotta get them gorgeous glowing green eyes. So I'm gonna grab my green contact lenses here from Camo Eyes. We're gonna pop them in. I'm gonna do this off camera because that could be scarier than what Annabelle can do. You know, honestly, I'm starting to see why you're so irritated all the time. It's gotta be those bangs. We gotta grow them out because I'm already irritated with mine and mine are fake and come right off. You know. Feel better? No, she's fine. She says stop. All right, we're gonna grab some soap. No, girl, under here? What happened? Is that why you're so angry? I would be angry too with them eyebrows. Girl, but you know what? Yours kind of already look like mine, just kind of scraggly like that. We just gonna soap mine. Honestly, it's a little frightening how similar our eyebrows are. It's explaining a lot, Annabelle. This is a brow pencil. Let's draw some like that. Like we were just terrorizing a whole family when we put our eyebrows on. That's where we're at. Honestly, I love this. This is so much faster for me. So Annabelle, I heard you have a new movie coming out. Are you excited about that? I would be. June 26th. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably not gonna watch it. It's nothing personal. Just, I really enjoy sleeping at night. I'll wait for it to come out on DVD so I can watch it in the comfort of my own home and pause accordingly. No offense. I think we should start on our eyes now. This is my favorite eyeshadow primer. It's a really, really good one. Should look into it. Might help that smoky eye stay on longer with all the terror and everything. It's time for eyeshadow. What do we have here? Oh, this is gonna be perfect. It's got some nice blacks in it. Thank you, Annabelle. Girl, I'll get you one. So now we're going for this beautiful smoky eye. I mean, I just love how you've extended it almost towards your nose. That is key, and that's the look this summer. So we're just gonna grab a fluffy brush. I'm assuming this is what you use. And we're gonna go into the black shade right here. I'm just going all the way in. I'm so excited. Whew. We're just gonna start tapping. Tapping like we have a grudge. I get it. It goes really nice with your green eyes. Feel free to give me any tips. Okay, I'm kind of vibing with this, and I see that you're really not into transition shades. Like, I get it. I get the evil. I understand. But here in the makeup world, we're just not complete unless we have a transition shade. I mean, I could like show you real fast. You want a little tap, tippy tap of that? World of difference. See, don't you just feel revived? Don't you feel like renewed? All right, well, I'm gonna do one. Just a light little transition shade, never hurt nobody. We gotta get that signature blend over here. What made you think of that? I'm curious. I'm just gonna say it's not that flattering, but I might wind up loving it when we're done here. We're gonna do a nice pencil. I don't think wing liner's your thing. I just don't think like playful and flirty is you. Not so much. It's more of a smudgy, take your soul kind of vibe, and I'm here for it. So we're just gonna pop this along the lash line. Just smear that on like some hill soot. Perfect. We're gonna take it on our bottom lash line. You have it on your bottom? Okay, oh my God, I got scared. All right, we got our bottom lash line going. I do need to know what color foundation you're wearing, because I don't know if you ever venture out into sunlight. All right, I think primers aren't your thing. I could be mistaken, but I just don't think you fit that into your daily routine. So we're just gonna go right into foundation. I'm gonna do a more full coverage one. We'll just take that. We'll let that warm up on the skin. That's a little tip. I like my foundation to warm up on the skin first. You know, I just don't think you ever really worry about your forehead with them bangs. I'm gonna put mine down in a second. I ain't gonna worry about it. It's one less thing to deal with. I like it. Now it's time for conceal. Oh, girl, thank you. Got my Kylie concealer. We're gonna use Gypsum today because we're trying to be a little lighter, a little scarier. You know about that Instagram nose contour, right? Where we take it down our nose and we just pop a little right there. It don't make no sense. It doesn't, but it makes us feel better. Okay, so this is, I love you, you're so scary. So this is how we highlight for Instagram. Like, it's what does it. This is how you get the views. You don't get them unless you got triangles underneath your eyes. I'm just here to tell you, I'm here to help. Taking souls, not so much. People won't watch that. Okay, so right now, I think I look way scarier than you. Like, this is quite frightening. I'm gonna take our big old blender here, and we're gonna work this in. Because even though we're out here scaring everybody, we're still glam. Oh my gosh, she's already tired from blending. See, I told you, you think terrorizing families is exhausting. No, try blending out your concealer. I need a nap every time. She's so nice. She decided to help me blend. This is really nice of you. See, she's not all bad. She's here to help. And y'all are just running in fear, and all she wants to do is blend your concealer. So now we're gonna do a little bit of baking, also very famous in the beauty blogger world. We gotta lock all that in. Get it going down the sides of the nose. A little zhuzhing. You know what? You actually have like an adorable nose. People don't talk about that. We need to focus on your good qualities. You have the cutest nose and the biggest, prettiest green eyes. We need to have more girl power, y'all. We need to complement each other. And girl, you're fierce. You're looking amazing. Now we're gonna take our same brush, because I'm not dirtying up no more brushes. You feel me? And we're just gonna go underneath here all wild like. Just throw it under there. Just be like, you know what? I don't have time for makeup because I gotta go terrorize and spread evil. So it's a one brush tutorial. All right, so now we're gonna contour because Annabelle's got a contour for days. So I'm just gonna take this little tiny brush. We need a really cool tone bronzer because it's like aggressively cool. Like she ain't about that bronzer. She's still in that shady gray, terrorize your family contour. That's what she's doing. So I'm gonna take a small brush. I'm gonna hit it real hard, like with some serious aggression. And you know what? We don't have to do our forehead. That's what it's all about. I'll show you a little technique. Get them cheekbones real spicy. We're gonna bake underneath here. We're gonna do it all precise. We're gonna let it sit here. And then it's gonna give us those cheekbones that you have, those spicy ones. It's real spicy, Annabelle. Just pop it right underneath there. That'll clean that up. We're gonna take it all the way over here too. Boom, connect that. We have a beard. I'm telling you, I leave my makeup like this, they would have made the movie about me. I'm just saying. Okay, Annabelle, she's not telling me what the blush she has on. She's gonna keep that her secret. She's not letting us in. So I'm just gonna find the nearest red blush because the girl looks like she's put some blush on with the blood of her enemies. And that's what we need. So we're just gonna pop this on, except for not like that at all. We're gonna get really outrageous and we're gonna keep it on the front of the cheeks. So the key is to smile like you're very creepy and then put your blush on. Twins. All right, so now we're just gonna dust off the powder. Annabelle has decided to help me. Just gonna dust off that bake. Get it, girl. Make me fierce. All right, we gotta lock this in. We gotta lock in our evil. This is gonna do it for you. You want some little spritz? Boom, locked it in. We gotta get that slay all day so we can literally slay all day. She literally is going to go slay all day. One more spritz. All right, now we just gotta dry our setting spray. don't want to feel left out. There you go, girl. Boom, boom, locked in. All right, let me look at you. All right, we seem to have been dropped on our chin, and now I'm understanding why you're so angry at everyone. Girl, if I was dropped, I'd be after everybody too. They ain't sending you in to be refurbished or nothing. They just leaving you to go to Antiques Roadshow. I'm angry too. Yeah, we look agitated, neglected. Perfect. All right, now you got like this cute little heart up here on your nose. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. We're cute. We're living our best crack dropped in the floor, irritated with how you treat us life. I'm just gonna put a couple scratches over here. What has 3 little, like what does just 3? I wanna know what did this to you. Like, was it a squirrel? Was the squirrel just like, eh? Just got the 3 claws out? We can do this. All right, we're gonna draw this on. Now my girl Annabelle, she's got on them pretty red lips, but somehow she fell into a fireplace. That's the vibe I'm getting. So we're just gonna pop this on. I'm not gonna lie, Annabelle, this is kind of cute. She's on to something, y'all. She's starting trends. You got anything? Did I leave anything out? Do we need anything else, Annabelle? Are we good? Are we spicy? Are we evil spicy? I just think we needed to add just a little bit more of that contour. I just grabbed some brown eyeshadow. Annabelle told me that tip. She's like, why are you even trying bronzer? Go into the brown eyeshadow, get it muddy, get it going. That's what she told me. All right, so I already just combed my bangs a little. Had to get that nice, scary, tormenting your life bang look. Gotta comb my girl Annabelle a little bit. Girl, what did they put in your hair? All right, look, twins. Now the world needs to start being nicer, because now there's 2 Annabelles. And if you ain't nice, me and my girl here, we come in. We see you, we see it. We see it all. Tell them, Annabelle. All right, guys, me and Annabelle, we're all done. Make sure you go watch Annabelle Comes Home. Comes out June 26th. Make sure you watch it. Thank you so much, Warner Brothers, for this amazing opportunity to get to know this lovely lady here. Go watch the movie, y'all. Excuse me, Miss Annabelle. That's my Instagram page. Thank you very much. Okay, if you need it that bad, see if you can get us verified.